going over the spot. A nice little rock right there. Give it 20 seconds. See if we can get one on video. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Nobody wants to play? That's a monster. No. Yeah, you're bringing him up. He's coming up. That's a good fish, man. That's a monster. That's over 30 all day. Just make sure he's coming up. Can you gain any line? Try to gain some line on him. There you go. He's coming up. That's a good fish. I'm gonna slow down now. That's all you. You got to reel fast if you can. Yep, we're good now. I'm slowing the boat. All right, you're good. All right, don't crank too fast. Just keep that line tight. There you go. You're doing great. That's a good fish. Where's the net? Oh, that's a pig, dude. That's a 32-inch fish. Are you under this rod?
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
He's over 30 all day. Oh, he just rocked you? Are you serious?
Oh, I just got to glide with it.
It feels like a fish?
Oh.
No, he's in a rock.
Oh, son of a...
Fine, we can land him. As long as you don't put too much pressure on. I can't believe, so that tells you that he's an absolute freaking giant if he was able to rock you after towing him half a mile. Just don't put a lot of pressure on him because we can easily get him out. You should know when he comes out. Because what he did is he found a tiny rock. He's not going to be happy in it. He will come out on his own. He's out. See, I told you, he doesn't like that little rock. He won't stay in it for long. Because it's not his home, you know? It's just a little rock, and he just did it for the time being, and then he came out. I just hope he didn't fall off the plug. He's still on?
Yeah, he's still on.
Yeah, he's tired now. But he's going to be a monster.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
All right, just be easy and don't reel too fast. And now you can loosen the drag in case he does run. I don't want you to break him. Just get him up to the boat. He's well off the bottom now. Easy, easy. It's gonna be an absolute giant, dude. Biggest grouper you've ever seen. It's gonna be 33 inches probably. There he is. Pig.
Oh, Rachel.
That's a...
God dang, man. Holy shit. Man, that's a new record.
Dude,
PB, baby, PBs.
this is the biggest grouper I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, my.
Toad.
I didn't even know they made them that big.
Don's monster. Fish on!
Hey, you want this one?
That's another nice one. He's taking drag. He's in the rock, isn't he? No, he's not. Yep. Just touch that reel. There you go. You got a good technique. Keep dragging. That's another keeper. Good fish. Good fish, Don. That's a good one. Bite's a lot better today than yesterday. Yeah, you did get hit, didn't you? He might have your line. He's reeling yours in, so reel it in. Alright, you're in neutral now. It's all you. Oh, it's a big one.
That was a good one. Oh, yeah.
Another keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Rachel. You did break it line.
Hold on, Rachel.
Another toad. Who's ready to catch a fish?
I am.
There should be a ton of fish under that bait pile.
Oh, kid. Grouper going, which bait do I grab?
How did we not get a bite over that?
For a second, Ray. Hold it.
Good fish. Put your finger on the reel. There you go.
Don't hold it too tight where it don't spin.
Yeah, you got to give him a little sometimes.
Yeah, you can reel it now because he's not taking drag. Reel.
Put your hand up here.
Pump it.
Is it a good
There you
fish?
go, like that. Yeah. Now, remember, short pumps.
Just keep the rod bent. No, you leave yours out. Yeah, just keep that rod bent. Keep lifting them up. You can't turn them at all?
He's fighting you.
Yeah, he's on there.
Big boy.
Just try to lift,
Okay,
lift.
lift and then drop fast. There you go.
Don't drop too fast.
But nice, easy pull-ups.
You gotta reel faster than you drop. So if you can't reel, then don't drop that fast, because you're giving them slack when you do that. There you go. Slow cranks. Just keep cranking them.
You get jerky, that hook can come out of him.
Yeah, he's coming up. I'm gonna slow down a hair.
Just
Keep
reeling.
gaining line. He's not as big as Don's.
No.
It's a nice one, though.
Yeah, I just leave him out there because I've had many just hit it while it's slack like this.
Oh, I thought you want to reel it in.
No, I leave it out there because we've had many double ups just like this. Usually right now is when they get hammered.
Nice.
He should be coming close to the surface by now. You're gaining a lot of line on him. Just keep them coming up. The boat's going really slow, so now it's time to start reeling
Yeah,
faster.
otherwise they'll dive back down
Yep.
and get a second wind.
You don't have to pump the rod as much, just reel. Yeah, keep them coming in fast. Don't let them dive. Can you reel any faster? Yeah, try to reel a little faster. Just keep them coming up. There we go.
Oh, there he is.
It's another keep.
Oh, that is a
That's a red.
Oh, it's her.
Oh,
What the?
God, that's the biggest red I've ever seen.
It's not that big, but geez, how did we catch a red trolling?
That's the biggest red I've seen. Well, maybe not.
What the heck?
Oh,
That is interesting.
you made it look way bigger than it was, Rach.
I couldn't even tell.
There's a red grouper in 20 feet of water with a trolling plug. That's a big grouper. That's dead weight. Not a monster. Good fight though. Is it a red? Oh, he's dead weight. That's a baby gag. That's fun. It was like right under the boat.
Yeah, he just, right under the boat.
Looks like a scrappy head shake. There's snapper. Nice.
Snapper. Oh, Rachel lost him. Big grouper.
Let's hope for snapper, not grouper.
Oh, it's
Nice.
Is that snapper?
Yeah, that's what we want. The yellow jig head gets him every time.
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Dude, that's his tank. Get him out of the rock. That might be a big snapper. Don't let him get back into the rock. That's a nice fish. That's gonna be a small grouper. It's always a small grouper.
Yeah, he just died.
Oh, it should be a 20-inch mango. Yep, gag. It's always a gag.
Always a game.
Gonna be a snapper. There's a little bit of head shake to that one. Not fast enough though. Nope, it is a snapper. That's a decent one.
Another keeper? Big mango. Oh, that's a nice one, Justin.
Nice one.
I'm getting hit again.
The mangoes are starting to feed. Nice mang.
I told you this was a good spot.
I can-
When
I
you
can-
get into hogfish, we would have been on that, so we might have had some hogfish.
This feels like another mango.
No, it is another one. Pile of them.
Yeah.
You got your slack reeling rates?
Should be measuring me. That's a nice mango. That's weird that they're right under the boat now. Oh yeah, you got the whole snapper school fired up now. Nice fish. A gag.
Is it gay? 1, 2, 3. You don't need to friggin' count. Oh my lord, Justin. What have you taught
Oh,
him?
that was a tiny little fish, so there wasn't much she could do on that one. Come on, be a big mang. That's a gag. Oh, you both got one.
That's a gag.
About time you hooked one. She's got a snapper and you got a gag.
Yeah, this is a gag for sure.
Hers is running out like a snapper. Yep, grouper. Yeah, nice snapper.
Nice snapper,
Rachel.
It's a solid.